Hello and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of words. Today, we're shining a spotlight on the word goodly. So, what does goodly mean in English? Goodly is an adjective that describes something as being of considerable size, quality, or degree. It's often used to convey a sense of something being impressive or attractive. According to the dictionary, goodly can refer to something that's pleasing in appearance or significant in amount. For example, a goodly number of attendees means a large number of attendees. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for goodly. Words like a considerable, ample, handsome, and sizable can be used interchangeably with a goodly, depending on the context. Considerable effort, ample resources, handsome reward, and sizable portion, all these phrases can help you express the same idea with a bit of variety and nuance. And there you have it, a thorough exploration of the word goodly. By incorporating these synonyms into your vocabulary, you can add a richer texture to your language. Thank you for watching Thesaurus Thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more enlightening word explorations. Keep thriving with words.